Here's a short video on how to avoid a collision, in this case a rear-end collision. You can tell how fast I am moving versus how fast the other drivers are moving, given the intervals between each light pole. Now this is something I have to deal with every single day. Drivers misbehaving, they're cutting us off, they don't signal when they change lanes, and they drive as though there's a competition between myself and them, and they always want to be speeding ahead. In this particular case, it resulted in a rear-end collision, possibly because the driver was distracted. Let's have a look.
Thank you, 1,000 thanks to you.